Okay, part 2.2, driven of force vibration. Okay, suppose we now take into consideration an external force Ft. Okay, external force Ft acting on a vibrating mass of a spring. Therefore, okay, M d square x over dt square plus beta dx over dt plus kx equal to Ft. So Ft equal to Ft over M. This one should be small letters F. Okay, to solve this equation, we use either method undetermined coefficient or variation of parameter. Okay, transients and steady state terms, the complementary function xct is said to be a transient term or transient solution. Okay, and the function xpt, the part of the solution that remain after the interval of time, is called a steady state term or steady state solution. Okay, we will use this one to solve for xt, and then we use ft to solve for xp. Okay, so this one is transient solution, and then the other side is steady state solution. So steady state, this one is transient. Okay, and then this one is xt, transient plus steady state. Okay, example 15. An object of mass 1 kg is attached to a spring with a spring constant, okay, 9 kg per meter. Okay, if there is no damping involved and the external force is 4 cos 4t, find the displacement of the object if x0 equal to 0 and x prime 0 equal to 0. No velocity. And then release at equilibrium position, right? Okay. So the value given, k equal to 9, spring constant, so k. Okay, and then m equal to 1, mass. Okay. Next, substitute into the equation dE. So we have d square x dt square plus 9x equal to 4 cos 4t. So solve for xct. So we have m square plus 9. Okay, consider this side only. Okay, so m equal to plus minus 3i. So xt equal to c1 cos 3t plus c2 sin 3t. Okay. Next, we solve for xp. So xp, we have a cos 4t plus b sin 4t. We use UC method. Okay, differentiate to find x prime p t. Okay, next, okay, we did differentiate x prime p to get x double prime p. Okay, then we substitute into dE. Okay, simplify, we get this one, and then we compare. Okay, cos 40 compare with cos 40. So we have A equal to negative 4 over 7. Okay, next. Okay, sin 40, 0 right here, the other side. So negative 7b equal to 0, b equal to 0. Then xpt equal to negative 4 over 7 cos 40. Okay, substitute A, B into xp. So we get this one. Okay, last, xt equal to xct plus xpt. Transient solution, steady state solution. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, next, initial condition, x0, 0, x prime 0, 0. Okay, we use this initial condition to find C1 and C2. Then xt equal to this one. Okay, for example 16, you can try answer example 16 first. Okay, here I provide the answer for example 16. You can check by your own. Okay, if you have any problem or any question, you can just ask me. Example 17. Okay, a model of driven undamped spring mass system is released from rest at equilibrium position. Okay, the motion of the system is described by the following equation. Okay, DE. Okay, initial condition. Okay, where x is measure a meter and t is second. Okay, find the equation of motion of a system xt. Okay, so how to find the equation of motion xt? Okay, we find xc first by find value for m. So m we have positive, negative for I. So xc equal to c1 cos 40 plus c2 sin 40. Okay, next we find xp. Okay, xp, refer this one. Okay, so a cos 2t plus b sin 2t. Differentiate to find x prime p and then find x double prime p. Substitute and compare. So, we substitute xp into this DE. Okay, so compare 12a equal to 5, then a equal to 5 over 12. 12b equal to 0, y 0 because no sin 2t this side. So b equal to 0. Okay, then substitute a and b into xp. Okay, then we get xp, equation for xp. Okay, to find xt, xc plus xp. Okay, then use initial condition to find c1 and c2. Okay, after you get c1 and c2, substitute into this equation. Okay, then the general solution, we have negative 5 over 12 cos 40 plus 5 over 12 cos 2t. Okay, at what time, for B, at what time does the mass pass through the equilibrium point? The equilibrium. Okay, so first we need to reorder this equation so that we have the same cos 2t. Okay, by using identity, cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A over 2. And then we let A equal to 2t. So, we reorder, we get cos 4t equal to 2 cos square 2t minus 1. Then we substitute into this equation. So, we have xt equal to negative 5 over 12. 2 cos 2t minus 1 plus 5 over 12 cos 2t. Okay, so now as you can see, we have the same 2t. So, we can find value of t. Okay, how to find t? Okay. Mass pass through the equilibrium means xt equal to 0. So what time? So we need to find t when xt equal to 0. So substitute 0. Okay, and then expand. Okay, move to the other side. So we have positive value for this side. Okay, next we let m equal to cos 2t. So 2m square minus m minus 1 equal to 0. Then solve for m. M equal to 1 and m equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay. So cos 2t equal to m. So when m equal to 1, t equal to 0. So when m equal to negative 1 over 2, t equal to 1.047. So the time that mass pass through the equilibrium is when t equal to 0 and t equal to 1.047. Okay, C, determine the amplitude of the motion. Amplitude of the motion. So same formula for amplitude. A equal to C1 square plus C2 square. Okay, substitute value C1 and then substitute value C2. Okay, so we have 5 over 12. Amplitude equal to 5 over 12. Okay, D, using the formula of cos A minus cos B equal to sin A plus B over 2, sin A minus B over 2. Simplify xt. Okay, this question just want you to simplify the xt. So first we have xt equal to negative 5 over 12 cos 4t plus 5 over 12 cos 2t. Okay, so first we factorize 5 over 12. Okay, next cos 2t. So minus cos 4t. So this one is A, this one is B. Okay, substitute into this formula. So we have sin 2t plus 40 over 2, sin 2t minus 40 over 2. Okay, simplify. Then we get 5 over 12, sin 3t, sin negative t. Okay. Sin negative t equal to negative sin t. So this negative we can put outside the bracket. So the answer after simplification, so we have negative 5 over 12 sin 3t sin t. Okay.